Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Note Said 24. Today, we'll practice shadowing listening and repeating sentences aloud. This will help you speak clearly, remember easily, and improve pronunciation. You'll learn simple English sentences for talking to a nurse. Try to repeat each sentence with me. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep practicing. Please watch every part to build a strong foundation. Are you ready to practice and become a confident English speaker? Let's start and enjoy learning English. Hello, nurse. Hello, nurse. How are you today? How are you today? I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. I have a headache. I have a headache. My head hurts a lot. My head hurts a lot. I feel very tired. I feel very tired. I have a fever. I have a fever. I feel cold and hot. I feel cold and hot. Can you help me? Can you help me? Please sit here. Please sit here. I will check you. I will check you. Open your mouth, please. Open your mouth, please. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Your temperature is high. Your temperature is high. You need some rest. You need some rest. Do you have pain? Do you have pain? Yes, I have pain. Yes, I have pain. Where is the pain? Where is the pain? My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. When did it start? When did it start? It started this morning. It started this morning. Do you eat well? Do you eat well? I do not eat much. I do not eat much. Do you drink water? Do you drink water? I drink some water. I drink some water. You need more water. You need more water. I will give you medicine. I will give you medicine. Take this tablet. Take this tablet. Take it after food. Take it after food. Do not skip meals. Do not skip meals. Get some rest today. Get some rest today. Do you have allergies? Do you have allergies? No, I do not. No, I do not. Do you sleep well? Do you sleep well? I do not sleep well. I do not sleep well. You need good sleep. You need good sleep. Avoid cold drinks. Avoid cold drinks. Eat warm food. Eat warm food. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. If you feel worse, come fast. If you feel worse, come fast. Thank you, nurse. Thank you, nurse. You are welcome. You are welcome. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. I will follow your advice. I will follow your advice. I feel a little better. I feel a little better. That is good to hear. That is good to hear. Please stay healthy. Please stay healthy. I will try my best. I will try my best. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, nurse. Goodbye. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.